Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing a walkthrough on Dead Cells V2's update status. Now right now, I'm going to show you, this autosave is the Dead Cells V2 update, and this is just the last Dead Cells V2 version. The last Dead Cells V2 version is only 46.64 gigs, and the update adds, I think 30 gigabytes. Now we have added a lot of new things. We get rid of the water due to you guys saying that it was glitchy, so obviously I believed you. And over here, we just have this stuff. There's teaching you events and stuff, which I'm sure none of you really need. And this is just a cool little staircase that you can go up. Over here, this is obviously the owner-only room. I also added more. Now, if we go ahead and fly over here, we have the second lobby. There's another owner-only room. This has a lot of lore, so I'm not going to tell you how to get in there or whatever. Right here, we have quests back here to get your helpers inside of the game, which is pretty cool. Over here, this is what I just added. I literally added this. And now the next thing that I'm adding right now, here today, is going to be a water system, because I'll tell you, you'll see after. But basically we're gonna make this. And you might be wondering, how are you gonna make a watering system? That seems very hard. If you say that, you are really correct. I think this might be hard, now that I think about it. But if you know me, I am up for hard challenges. Okay, maybe that's kind of a lie, but okay, here's what we're just gonna do, because I don't feel like making a custom one. You guys are just gonna have to remember something, and that is the good Lord. You're gonna have to remember something. That's this is the thing that you fix the water thingy. Jesus, I don't know how to speak my mind. Now for this, we're gonna go ahead and add a link. Gonna add an item user, and you're gonna have to use the hammer that you got from the vending machine events over there. So hammer, what's the hammer? Did I pass the hammer? I passed the hammer, didn't I? Am I stupid? Oh, there's the hammer, okay. Item reusable off, use count 1, amount required 1. Now we're gonna just do something, and we're gonna put it inside of the control panel. That way, Now we need to add an info block. We're gonna add an info block right here. I'm gonna link this item use trigger to the info block. Now, we're gonna add this specific thing, and you guys could use this if you want to show something. So we're gonna put $display name fixed the water machine. So basically the $ brackets display name is going to show, for example, if I was to do that and put the hammer in there myself, it would show, your local piggy bulder, fix the water machine. It's pretty simple, right? And we're going to also set that to 5 seconds. We're going to nope, we're not going to add more. This is optional, but I'm just going to move it over here. That way we have more space in case we want to add to this. Which I am. And we're going to add crap. You need to find powered block. Powered block. Powered block. For the material, we're gonna do foil. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You may be wondering, huh? Well, this is actually, so once you fix the water machine, it patches up the water, so it's no longer, Now, we're gonna go ahead and test this. I'm gonna give you, this will allow you to get a little preview too. So we're right here, blah blah blah, we go in here, blah 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 blah, George is here, I need to save him, which I need to turn that into dialogue because, if you didn't know, thank you Piggy, person who makes Piggy maps, or does Piggy updates, whatever, blah blah blah. Thank you for making it so PlayStation users can finally use dialogue blocks and all that, but anyways, we're not here for that fact. We're here to give you a run through on the new things to Dead Sales that are coming. And I'm going to also tell you when this update is going to be releasing for Dead Sales. So right here, they use randomizer. So when you search as it will give you like a coin, a random one, which I just got lucky. Damn. I'm going to search this one. Please don't give me it again. See, it's randomized. So if I do this one, it's not going to give me it. Well, it's not guaranteed not to give you because it's randomizer. This one means that it's going to give you it. So it only gives you 2 coins. Then I get the hammer. Now I need to go fix the water machine, which is, if you didn't know, all the way over here. So these are sprinting ability. Run! Right here. You can see it needs a hammer. We put the hammer. Oh. Oop. Help. I'm trapped. Doing cold deal. It's nice out. I'm definitely not looking at the window. Ah, it's cold. It's cold. Very cold. Anyways, back to the video. So yeah, that's the most recent update on Dead Cells V2 release date. I got very good news. You guys are gonna love this news. It's coming out right now. I'm gonna go to save this in Dead Cells V2 beta. Are you sure you'd like to save the Dead Cells V2 beta? This will overwrite any existing data in the slot. Confirm. Congrats, guys. The new Dead Cells V2 update has been released. Anyways, guys, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next PBM, Call of Duty, Fortnite, or any Roblox video. Peace!